in the inside of the tailgate. Get all the intricate shit on the inside. Yeah, it'll be nice if you kind of listen. Yes, I am. Very much.